Hi, how are you? You can see a nice frame here. This is completely wooden frame, and there are some contours here, but that's not a problem. We're going to use it as a canvas and try to paint a nice scenery. You can see I'm just going to draw a sun here with the half circle. As you can see, just put the yellow color, and within the half circle I just draw the sun here. Okay, so if you imagine that the sun is on the grass, so you have to put the field in the bottom side. So you can take the light green color, just put the grasses within the whole canvas from left to right side, and you can show it with lots of brush strokes. Okay, I'm just drawing right now in front of you guys. So some strokes may be stronger, some strokes may be lighter, so there's the variations you can create. But after drawing that, you can see so many grasses in the field and the whole canvas, and the bottom side is just filled up with the grasses. Okay, so the sun is over the field, just sitting down. Now we're going to draw a tree, and the tree is going to be the orange color. Let's put the orange color on the left side just to show the branches of the tree. Another branch here, another branch here, and the trunk is going to be a little bit wider. That's the idea, just putting this portion, little bit like this one. And for the the leaves, just draw some shadows, the graphical presentations. That's it. So it just partially show that the presence of the leaves within the tree, you can see here. So some places this is darker, some places this is lighter. On the left side, you can take the order and put the color here on the left side. Okay, awesome. The color is done, and few grasses, taller grasses, just you can put here within that orange color. Okay, so simple scenery. And if you like to put some bright stars in the sky, just you need to put some dots here. So that's why I take the yellow color and just put few dots all over in the sky, just to show the stars. Some are bigger, some are smaller, so that it can show that it's getting dark and the scenery is going to be very nice. Okay, awesome. So almost complete, just putting all the yellow at the bottom. Okay, taking little bit water. Okay, doing other strokes here. That's for today. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.